This is Mike at Great Surfboards, and we're just kind of sitting here realizing, you know, with the times that we're currently in, everybody is stuck at home, and we know people are looking for things to do, looking for ways to keep their kids busy. So we thought we would make some videos that could help some of you people that are working on kits at home. We know this process can be, you know, there's a lot of steps involved and some detail, and we just thought we could take some time and make some kind of tricks and tips videos to help you guys through some of the trickier parts of the process. You know, if you have some requests, feel free to comment and let us know what would be helpful. Otherwise, make sure you read the manual and, you know, take your time. Keep in mind that, you know, there's a lot of steps, but they're all very doable when you just kind of take your time and focus on each one. That's it. Give us a ring if we can help anytime with technical support. We're always available.